Hi everyone. Tonight for supper, I'll be making zebra tacos. Zebra tacos? You mean real zebra? Yes, real zebra. When we went to Texas, we went to a place that processes a lot of different types of meats. In the past, you've seen me do different types of deers. You've seen me do bison. You've seen me do water buffalo. And now, zebra. So what all goes into zebra tacos? The star of the show, 1 pound of zebra, 1 packet of taco seasoning. I'm using mild, and I'm not sure if I'm going to use the whole packet or not because I want some of the zebra flavor to come through. So probably about a half of a pack of mild taco seasoning. And then whatever you make for your regular tacos. We'll need taco shells, shredded cheese, tomatoes, onions, salsa, sour cream, and guacamole. And you can use lettuce or taco sauce or whatever else that you like to put on your tacos. So let's make zebra tacos. So take your zebra ground meat, and by the way, we also have zebra tenderloins and zebra steaks that I will fix down the road for you guys. And brown that, adding salt and pepper to your taste. Zebra is a pretty lean meat, and it actually has some good stuff in it like zinc and omega-3. Who would have thought zebra would have omega-3? So I'll get that browned and then I'll be back. So I did add a little bit of grease because the zebra was wanting to stick to the bottom of the pan, but it is brown. So I'm going to add my mild taco seasoning and somewhere between a half and 3/4 of a packet. Like I said, I want to be able to taste what the zebra tastes like. And then I'm going to do about 1/3 of a cup of water. Mix that up and then just let it simmer until it gets thicker. So I warmed up my taco shell. We'll just put a little bit of the meat. I'm going to roll it up like a burrito just to keep all the goodness in. Maybe it won't make quite as much of a mess. Some onions, some tomatoes, some sour cream, some guacamole, and some cheese, and we'll wrap it up. Kind of, sort of. So here is the zebra taco. Rounding out the meal is butter and garlic rice. Let's see what Dave thinks.
I'm assuming this is the
taco.
Am I tasting this or this?
Taco.
Taco. Crunchy onions.
That is zebra tacos.
Oh. Well. I don't know what a zebra sounds like. Well, it tastes like a taco.
Well, I tried not to use as much taco seasoning, so maybe we can get the taste of the zebra.
It tastes like horse, but I had never tried that either. Honestly, if you hadn't told me what it was, I wouldn't have guessed that.
Well, who would have guessed zebra?
Right. I mean, maybe in just a raw patty, I might be able to tell the difference between this and beef, but Just the way this is, I can't tell. It tastes good.
It's
So
healthier.
it isn't okay. Well, um, it really is good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.